Hey riders, and welcome back to Auto Torque TV. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda CBR650R, a middleweight sport bike that's been turning heads and setting hearts racing. Guide viewers through a detailed walk-around of the bike, highlighting key design elements like the sharp fairing, LED lighting, and aerodynamic bodywork. The 2025 CBR650R boasts a sharp, aggressive design that's sure to turn heads. The sleek fairing and aerodynamic bodywork not only look fantastic, but also improve aerodynamics for a smoother, more stable ride. Focus on specific features like the digital instrument cluster, adjustable windscreen, and comfortable seating position. Show the bike in action on a winding road, showcasing its acceleration, handling, and cornering capabilities. Under the hood, the CBR650R packs a powerful 649 cubic centimeter inline-four engine that delivers smooth, linear power across the rev range. It's a bike that's equally at home cruising the highway or carving up canyon roads. Walk viewers through the bike's digital instrument cluster, highlighting its features like gear indicator, fuel gauge, and customizable settings. Honda has equipped the CBR650R with a host of modern technology, including a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, for added safety and confidence. The CBR650R isn't just about performance, it's also designed for comfort on long rides. The adjustable windscreen and comfortable seating position make it a joy to ride, whether you're commuting or touring. The 2025 Honda CBR650R is a well-rounded sport bike that offers a thrilling ride, advanced technology, and comfortable ergonomics. It's a bike that's sure to appeal to a wide range of riders. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews and content.